students, welcome in our English period. This is our English period and today we are going to learn our new topic, The Little River, written by Rabindranath Tagore. The famous Bengali writer, poet, novelist, short stories writer. First we take the chit chat. After that we take the introduction of our writer Rabindranath Tagore. From this title, what did you understand? From this title, we understand that today we are going to learn about the river. Childhood, we daily went to the banks of the river with our friends and with our family also. First we take some chit chat. If you have books, please open your books. Page number 37. Okay, first chit chat is there. What did you notice on the banks of the river? Means, what did you notice on the banks of the river? Yes, we noticed that on the banks of the river we noticed some trees, some birds flying in the sky, some domestic animals which came to drink waters. We find river sand also and children bathing in the river or near the bank. Means all these things we notice in the river of the bank. Okay, and most of the child or most of the students also enjoying in summer days or in the rainy season also, they enjoying their childhood or their holidays in the river of the bank. Second is their question, in which season did you go? In which season did you go? Was the river flow gushing or gentle? Mostly people went in the rainy season because in rainy season the river flow was gushing in those days. Means in the rainy days the water was high level in the river, so we went in the rainy season. Did you notice other people by the river? What were they doing? Means, do you notice other peoples in the river of the bank and what were they doing? Yes, we notice the people which comes for the picnic and which are, some people are enjoying the picnic or some people are swimming in the river and some were washing their clothes or women's washing their clothes and some people fishing. Means we notice many people's bank of the river doing the activities or doing these works. Means we notice all the peoples in the bank of the river. Okay. Next, 4 number is chit chat. 4 number, what should we do to make sure that rivers do not get polluted? Means we should not allow people to wash their clothes in the river and we should ban on the people to throw the household things in the river, and also we should ban on the industrial wastes in the river. Means which if we do not ban on these all the activities, then we get the river our polluted. Rivers now became very clean, fresh, and because of the COVID, means people don't throw the waste in the river, so all the rivers get clean or the all rivers became clean and neat. So this is the good thing for us also, because from the nature we get the fresh air or fresh water to drink. So we thanks we thankful to the nature or our nature refresh. In this chart we have the seasons. In our India there are 3 seasons, means we always find the 3 main seasons, but here we have the sub seasons also. So today we are going to learn about the Marathi months also. So first is there mid February to mid April. Okay, mid February to mid April we call Marathi Vasant Rutu or Vasant season, that we call in English spring season. Okay. And next is there mid April to mid June in Marathi Grishma. Okay, mid April to mid June we call it in Marathi Grishma, and in English we call it summer. We know the summer season, but mostly people doesn't understand or Grishma Rutu also called summer, or who don't know about the Grishma Rutu. Okay, third is there mid June to mid August. In this time of the year in Marathi we call Varsha or Varsha Rutu or rainy season. In English we call also monsoon season also. Okay, rainy season and monsoon season. Next is mid-August to mid-October. In mid-August to mid-October we have the Sharad Ritu. Means mid-August to mid-October we have Sharad Ritu, and that we call in our English autumn. Okay. And last is mid-October to mid-December. In Marathi Hemant Ritu is their season, and in English we call it pre-winter. We know only 3 seasons: rainy seasons, winter season, and after summer season. And we have here the pre-winter also. Okay. And last is there mid-December to mid-February. Mid-December to mid-February we have Shishir, and in English we call it winter. Okay, so we have main season, rainy season, winter season and summer season, and the others are spring, autumn and pre-winter. We have the 3 sub-seasons. So next we have the chit chat. In your books, match the weather with the seasons. Okay, this is the so simple. You have to match the seasons with the weather. Okay, which is correct? Cool. Means in winter we find the weather our cool. Second is monsoon. In monsoon what happened? The rain comes. Means monsoon is the rainy season. So here is answer rainy. And third is spring. Spring's answer is the pleasant. Means in spring we find or we feel the weather very much pleasant. And third is pre-winter season is there, and the answer is windy. Okay. And the summer season, and the answer is hot. In summer season we find the weather is very much hot. And the last is autumn, and the answer is remaining cold. Okay, so we find these all the seasons in our India. Now the season is there. The season is going now in India, which is rainy season. Of course, means monsoon season is going and rainy season is going. So this is our chit chat, and we have page number 36. We have to learn. In this we have to learn the figure of speech. Okay, there are 2 figure of speech we have to learn in this poem. The first is alliteration and the second is onomatopoeia.